Hello, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be telling you how you can crop part of an image in Premiere Pro. So we're basically just going to get started by typing crop into our effects panel. So here you'll find this is crop. You'll drag it over to your timeline, place it on what you want to crop, go all the way down, and then you've got left, top, right and bottom. So that's the top, the right, no, the left, the right and the bottom of your picture. So here we go, you can move it across, this is the left, and you can move it across and instead of zooming in on a certain part of your picture. So here we go, that is how you do a crop in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed and we'll see you in the next